was able to see right after the surgery, I was able to see right away. And then just as time, as the days were going, as the weeks were going, everything just crisped up and got a little clearer and a little clearer every day.
And I remember, driving home and I was like, oh my gosh, I can see. And then I would look around at the hills and I could see the houses on the hills and the windows.
After having the procedure, I went in and did the St. Anthony's Triathlon in Florida. I was kind of excited to have my first race without having to deal with contact lenses. And sure enough, I managed to win by 13 seconds in my division.
The coolest thing still is waking up in the morning and not having to do that whole routine of contacts and solution or glasses. I can just get up and go.
There was literally so many aspects of my life that have been improved so dramatically. Surfing, I can see sets coming from a distance. I can sail, I can see how the wind is changing the water in the distance and know where to head.
It's such a life-changing thing. I mean, it's how you see the world. That's a life-changing thing.
I can work 24-hour shifts now where it's not literally pain all night long in my eyes.
LASIK is freedom. It's the freedom to experience the world without having something else on your eyes, and the freedom of being able to see everything and the beauty that it has.
It's so easy, it's so simple, it's painless. If your vision was as bad as mine, you gotta get it done. You gotta do it.
If I could have done it 10 years ago, I would roll back time and I would do it then.
There's nothing to be scared about.
It was 100% the right decision.
It's phenomenal.
Laser surgery's rad. I don't really know what else to say. It's unreal. Do it.